Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting in Settings, go straight to Lock Screen and Passwords on your Oppo. Once there, identify active lock types and disable any secondary protections like Smart Lock or extra fingerprint shortcuts. These can re-enable timing features. Make sure you have your primary PIN, pattern, or password ready because you'll need it to confirm changes. If your device uses a work profile or device admin, toggle that off in security. Once done, you'll be ready for the next detailed step. Now dive into specific timing controls. Find lock screen timing or sleep timeout and change settings that display time. Toggle off any option labeled Show Time on Lock Screen or set timeout to Never if available, because that is the only way to remove persistent time widgets on some Color OS builds. Also inspect accessibility, always on display, and clock app settings since they sometimes mirror the lock screen time. Disable overlapping options. Once you've toggled these, make sure to confirm with your device PIN. Finish by rebooting the phone so the system applies lock screen configuration changes and verify the clock is gone. If the time still appears, clear the clock app cache and data, then reset lock screen preferences in settings. These steps often remove persistent UI elements. If nothing changes, confirm no device admin or work profile forces the clock. As a last resort, perform a factory reset after backing up data. If you run into problems, double-check account credentials and contact Oppo support for model-specific queries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.